Hello and welcome to my channel. If we haven't met, my name is Brittany and I am going to be making some microwave pizzas today. These are meant to be individual pizzas for like a lunch, and I am using some pizza dough that I made and had some leftovers from Pizza Pockets. I will add the link to that video in the description. And if you want the pizza dough recipe, I will also have that in the description as well. So I am going to make some round pizza shapes. Just do the best you can. I wasn't being particularly picky with the shape this time, but they're pretty easy to work with and they're very forgiving. So I'm able to make 3 this time, and then I'm going to add it to my large cast iron so I can cook all 3 at the same time. And I will talk about next steps when I'm done with that. Okay, now it's time to add your toppings. Add some pizza sauce. I used the pizza sauce that I made, and it's just tomato sauce with some Italian seasoning, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and paprika. I'm going to add a decent amount of sauce to all 3 of these, and then I'm going to top it with some shredded mozzarella cheese, and then I'm going to put some pepperoni on top. You can add whatever toppings you want to these. I'm also going to finish off with a few pieces of cowboy candy before I put it into the oven. The oven is preheated to 400 degrees, and these will take about 20 minutes. There they are. They are all done. I'm going to put these in a bag and freeze them for a different day. To reheat, just microwave for about 1.5 minutes and they are done.